Hi, Yogi Clan. We're gonna try Glove Liners Summer Glove Combo. The Weather Channel says it's 24 out. Garage temp 41. 7:51. I am late. We are rolling to Iron Saturday. Bertha is chilly, but we will take it slow the first mile or so. So speaking of taking it easy, my son, who's 17, we were riding in the car the other night and I said, hey, have you ever watched any of my videos? Like, no? I'm like, what? Bro, I have 250 videos out there. You haven't watched one? I call him bro because he calls me bruh. Hey, bruh. He said, no, I haven't watched any of your videos. So I said, okay. You watched the tank pit video. He's like, oh, yeah, you know, I used to watch motovlogging. I'm like, you used to watch motovlogging? Oh, yeah, I love motovlogging. You love motovlogging, do you? Oh, well, let me show you another video. So I showed him one of my MC Monday tips where I did it on this bike here. Big Bertha. Which way do I want to go? Front way, back way, front way, back way, front way, back way. Let's go the front back way. So, hey, if you're new to Yogi Cycle Service, I just want to tell you, I'm Yogi. In case you don't already know that, but I thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, mash that subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So I tell Grayson, sorry, that was my little spiel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, seriously. So I tell Grayson, I'm like, well, let me show you another video. And I showed him the MC Monday episode 3. And he's like, oh yeah, I love watching them because, you know, I like to see when they, you know, just start tearing it up. And he's watching the video. He's like, okay. He's like, not bad. He goes, but you need more throttle. He goes, you need more action, Dad. And here I am stuck behind a Mazda doing 36. Sorry, Grayson. Trying to get you some action, bruh. So then what I did, oh my goodness. Seriously, bro. I really don't need to go this slow here. Although, I say that, and I've been pulled over for speeding, I think 3 times. One of those times, the non-ticket time was just actually right back there. So, maybe you should go that slow. Well, I was actually on Miss Piggy. I think I was doing 55 and a 35, actually. But I was going down the hill. He was coming down the hill from the other way. By the time he caught up to me, I did a little fast to try to get home fast in time, but I didn't quite make it, and I didn't, you know, go crazy. I didn't want to get a reckless driving charge. By the time he caught up to me, it was the driveway right before mine. He pulled me over. He's like, where are you going, son? I said, to that tan house right there. He's like, why were you going so fast down the hill? I'm like, I just finished fixing this bike. I was taking it for a test ride to make sure everything worked. Sorry, man. He let me go. He's like, all right, just no more speeding till you get home, sir. I don't think that's physically possible, but I will keep that in mind. Oh, this is when I'm supposed to have the live action. Sorry, Grayson. Whee! It's 35 through here, too, though, I think. Can't have too much live action, bro. So this week, he and I had that discussion at the exact same time. A fellow motovlogger, Jarhead6. He has 2 channels. He has one which is his Harley channel, and he has one which is Second Amendment Rights channel. Jarhead6. Great channel, though, man. Great channel. If you want to hear a great story, just about a great dude, I love this guy. Gotta go check out his channel. Tell him Yogi sent you. But he has a video on how to make a motovlog, which in there, I think he talked pretty much about equipment. I don't know if he really talked about methodology on how to make a motovlog. So this is my own take on how to make a motovlog, and really the only advice I have is my son's. But I did say, hey, let me put motovlog in the YouTube search and see what I see. And I saw a dude out there on a sport bike who had a motovlog he had a lot of views. It probably had 250,000 or more views. So I watched what he did, and then I recognized what a lot of other YouTube creators do in his video. You know, it seems like every motovlog is not really a motovlog unless you go out to eat somewhere and either film your food or film your beer. That to me seems, you know, it's kind of like the motovlog's just kind of like spending the day with you almost, and then going out for food somewhere, hanging out, and then riding some more and finishing your conversation. So in Iron Saturday, I'm going to Starbucks now. I could do that with my coffee. But the other thing that this motovlog had was just like every word the guy said was like typed, and it went like really fast up on the screen to read, and there was just so much flash and bling and like little faces he puts up, and like, you know, for every word that's said there's like some kind of like, not only is the word typed up there, but there's like flash and bling and all this. Oh my gosh, watching it, like, it was, for me, it was like, whoa, information overload. I'm like, gosh, man, is Is this what people really? Ooh, I don't like this. Done that in the past where I've flashed things up on the screen, but man, let me tell you, that takes a lot of time. That is a lot of work with the program I'm using. I mean, it doesn't take that long, but like to type each word, like if I were to type each word of everything I just said, it would probably take me an hour. Or just everything I just said in like the last 2 sentences. Not since the beginning of this video. So, I ain't doing that. Maybe then my motovlogs just won't get big and huge and watched. I love the Yogi subscribers I have. I got some good commenters. I mean, there are some haters out there. You know, hey, whatever. That's cool. Another YouTuber that commented on my video, I feel like I was big time with this dude, Ichiban Moto. But he commented on one of my videos not too long. I was like, oh my gosh, I've been discovered. Now, if I can only get like Shade Tree or John Maxwell or Chase on 2 wheels to comment, then I'll feel like, yeah, like I'm somebody. I'll just be a little fish in a very big pond. Here we go. Whee! Despite having heated grips, my fingers are now getting cold. That's okay, because I'm about to wrap them around a warm cup of coffee. Huh? Was I supposed to bring a truck? Nobody told me. It's warmer in my helmet, so I'm just gonna keep it on. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I got a modular. That's right. Well, thanks, man. That's awesome. I appreciate that. And place order. All right, coffee ordered. All right, gents, enjoy your day. I got so many layers on, it's hard to pick up my feet. I'm like a human burrito. Freeze out gear, long john pants, freeze out gear, long john top, a t-shirt, a long sleeve shirt over that, a sweatshirt, my jacket, my cut, and then on the bottom I got my freeze out on the bottom, and jeans and wool socks, freeze out glove liners, my summer gloves, and heated grips. Let me tell you, in the sun it feels a whole lot better than chirping in my belt. Chirp chirp. It's cold. Chirp chirp. So what exactly makes a good motovlog? I don't know. What components go into making a good motovlog? What do you talk about? How much flash do you put up? How much bling do you put up? I mean, there's so many different flavors and flares. What is entertaining to watch? What can keep the average 17-year-old boy hooked to an old man making YouTube motovlog videos? I don't know. Because all the young sport bike guys just have just a ton of flash and a ton of bling. Just boring video of me riding, I mean, that gets kind of boring, right? Throttle revving. Man, I need to be popping wheelies type action. No, not really. So the other thing that I notice that motovloggers do is they'll title the video with, I don't know, why did somebody take my Harley? They'll go through the entire video. It'll be like a 20-minute long video. Then in the last 2 minutes, they'll address the title of the video. So it's like clickbait. So I could do motovlogs that are clickbait, make you wait 20 minutes for the answer to the problem. That just kind of is frustrating, and I don't want to frustrate my viewers. There's a soccer field where all the Hispanic guys play soccer. Nobody's playing soccer today. If you want to watch some real good soccer, go to that field there. It now says it's 39 degrees out. It warmed up. So in your opinion, Yogi Clan, what constitutes a good motovlog? What do you like seeing in your motovlog that you think, when you watch a motovlog, you're like, yeah, this is a good one? What makes it a good one? Because evidently, I just don't understand it. Do you talk about a specific topic, or is it just random thoughts? What kind of clickbait title can I use for this motovlog? right is Cabarrus County Fairgrounds. If you watched my video about Indian Larry and the day that we lost Indian Larry, that's right where it happened, was right there. So it just hit me what I should do. I should wait to talk until we get to the exciting parts of the ride. So maybe we need to get off the highway and hit some back roads. Right turn, Clyde. Here come the twisties. What components go into a good motovlog? Running through the gears, popping wheelies on a bagger. I'm not gonna pop wheelies on this bagger, so if you're expecting that for a good motovlog, sorry. Brother's heating in there, making a house call. Coming to a stop, coming to a stop. Whoa, whoa, Nelly, whoa, whoa. Put it in the comments below. What do you think makes up a good, what composes a good motovlog? What makes it worth it for you to watch? What keeps you entertained? Is it all the pop-up stuff that pops up on the screen? Is it the hairpin sharp right turns like this? Hold on. Oh yeah. Is it running through the gears like that? Or is it stopping at a restaurant and looking at some sandwiches that you're eating for lunch? What makes those sport bike guys get 250,000 views on their moto vlogs about nothing? There you go, bro. That one's for you, and I thank you, Yogi Clan, for stopping by and watching this video. I hope y'all have an awesome weekend. I hope y'all have a great Christmas. Probably after Christmas when you watch this, but I thank you for stopping by and watching Yogi Cycle Service. Peace, y'all. Love you guys. Later. Oh, look. Christmas arrived.